In our previous class, we discussed about the topic classification of simple farm tools. In our class today we will be discussing the topic simple farm tools for cutting. Simple farm tools for cutting are essential instruments used in agricultural practices to trim or sever plant materials efficiently. These tools are designed to make the process of cutting or harvesting crops easier and more efficient. Hand shears. Hand shears are small handheld cutting tools with two sharp blades that are used for trimming or pruning small plants, shrubs, and trees. They are commonly used in home gardens and small-scale farming. Hand shears are helpful for maintaining the shape and health of plants by removing dead or excess foliage. Pruning saw. A pruning saw is a tool with a sharp-toothed blade designed for cutting through thicker branches and stems. It is commonly used in orchards and larger farms for pruning trees and shrubs. Pruning saws are essential for shaping trees, removing diseased branches, and promoting healthy growth. Grass cutter. A grass cutter, also known as a grass slasher or bush knife, is a versatile tool with a long, curved blade used for cutting grass and weeds. It is commonly used in clearing overgrown areas, maintaining pastures, and preparing land for cultivation. Machete. A machete is a large, heavy-duty cutting tool with a long, broad blade. It is commonly used for various agricultural tasks, such as clearing vegetation, cutting thick stems, and harvesting crops like sugarcane or bananas. Sickles. Sickles are handheld cutting tools with a curved blade and a short handle. They are commonly used for harvesting grain crops like wheat, rice, or barley. Sickles allow farmers to cut crops close to the ground efficiently. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.